Hello everyone, my name is Diogo Correia and today I will demonstrate how to use the KROFtools coolant bleed funnel.
So here we have the KROFtools coolant bleed funnel. In the packaging, we can see the funnel with a sealing lid, and inside are all the adapters required for the different vehicles' radiator caps and expansion tanks, alongside the plug for the funnel outlet. We open up the bag and select the appropriate adapter for the vehicle at hand. Moving on to the vehicle, we plug the adapter to the expansion tank. We then plug the funnel onto the adapter itself and pour coolant onto the funnel until the expansion tank is full and we have a decent amount in the funnel to bleed the system at its highest point. We then start the engine so water flows around and squeeze the hoses so air is pushed out. Once we are happy the system is bled, we plug the funnel and remove it from the adapter. We have now successfully filled and bled our system. And we can retrieve the unused coolant and put it back in the container, ensuring there is no waste.
If you have any questions, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye!